Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 9th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, not really a whole lot has changed since my yesterday video. I think there's a good chance that this actually may drift up a little bit more towards the 61%. To me, it looks like it should potentially make a proper ABC correction. Now, I am definitely looking for shorts. My bias is down because of the daily time frame. So I am looking at anything I see to the upside is very likely just a pullback to the downtrend. So even if it does pop up a little more, I definitely am focused on going short at the end of three-way pullbacks. Whether or not it actually goes up and retests the A, I have no idea. I'm actually already short on this, stop loss way above the highs. So I don't really care what it does in between here and here, as long as I'm right about this being a correction to the last wave down. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.